What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Retaking this video because I was mid-video. As you can see, I have the function, I have the parameters. I still need to delete this here. But basically, my computer froze while I was screen recording, so the screen recording is lost. I still have the, face recording. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and remove this here, and we're gonna go ahead and try to do a switch case. So I'm pretty much gonna say what I just said in my last video. I'm gonna say what I remember. I don't remember everything obviously, but I do remember trying to use a switch. But for pseudo, pretty much, if I did a pseudocode for switch, it would pretty much be real code. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say if, and then we'll say, or should I just type it out? I want to do pseudocode because I know it's required for most projects. So I want to practice. How would I do a switch? I guess we can do, so let's do, because we do all caps for 4, so let's do all caps for switch. And the expression is gonna be switch. Oh, actually, you know what it's gonna be? Let's go ahead and set up the function first. So the function is gonna be, it's gonna return an int. And then we're gonna take in a bunch of, so we're gonna take in a character, we're gonna take in an integer, and one more integer. Okay. At the very end, so let's say we'll do int result, right? And then at the very end, we'll return result. So I guess we can do that for here as well. So we can set result to, let's set it to 0. Let's set it to 0. Set result to 0, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna modify it though. And then at the very end, just return result. So actually return is all caps because it's a keyword. Return like that. Actually, why did I? Okay. So now, switch. So as you can see here, depending on what we're gonna do, that's what we're gonna return. So switch expression. So that's going to be our, I think the op, we'll say case. So we'll say the multiplier, which is something like that. We'll have a bunch of cases. Actually, let's go ahead and just do this here. Let's go ahead and just multiply this. And I think we have, 3 more like that. We have a division, we have a minus, we have a plus. This is around the time that it froze. I'm just checking, make sure that it's still recording. Anyways, we won't do breaks. I don't want to be too specific, like adding semicolons. Pseudocode is gonna be just relax. And it's not code exactly. Okay, so when it's multiplication, we're just gonna go ahead and not return, but we're gonna have set results to. Why is it? I think it's after a star. Everything becomes italics. It's kind of weird. I don't know the exact, because you see how double hashtag, it's like bigger. Also, if you do like a single hashtag, then it's like even bigger. So it's like some sort of a headline. I think this is like Git. I'm not exactly, you know, like GitHub type of commenting. So we'll go ahead and copy this one. Oh, actually, we're gonna do val 1, and then we're gonna do some sort of division, or you know, some sort of something. So we're gonna have it like that, just like that. So obviously for this one, we're gonna have a multiplication. For this one, we're gonna have a division, and then obviously subtraction and addition and whatnot, and that should be it. You got your switch, and we're all set. We're good to go. A switch statement. So expression. I like that. I like that. So we have a switch, and it has like a pre-built little thing. Usually for loops, it doesn't do that. But in this case, it did. Okay, so expression. So op. Your ops. Case. So we're gonna do in this case. I'm trying to do a single quote, but it wasn't letting me. But here we are. Single quote. Statements. Actually, let's make a little template. So we're gonna have a single quote. We're gonna have, we'll do result equals, yeah, set result equal to val 1 something val 2. We won't have a default, or should we have a default? I guess we'll leave default just in case they put the wrong operator or anything like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. One more. I'm just remembering now how in VS Code, if you try to do multiple, if you try to copy paste multiple cases, it never backs. Like you see how these are pretty much lined up except for this one here. In VS Code, they don't line up. They just keep like, it'll be case and it'll end it. Anyways, so yeah, so let's go back. So now that we made our little template, now we can have this sort of thing right here, and then our adding, and then now we can add it in here. So something like that. We'll do division, we'll do subtraction, and lastly addition, and then just return result. So let's do it. Let's do a little example. Let's see how it goes. Now the name here is gonna be foo because I use this function for pretty much every challenge. Let's see. So our character, let's do a plus sign. I may be talking a little bit weird because my throat kind of, you know, from talking too much, I have a weak like, I just have a weak like, I don't know. It just be hurting all the time. So this right here should be 11, right? 11. All right, let's go ahead and see if it runs through. If it builds, hopefully at least it builds. Okay, it builds. So now 11. It's taking some time. There it is. 11. So it works. So now all we have to do, just copy this here. Why is that highlighted? Okay, so copy that there. Place it right here. Or not. Or not. Place it right here. Need to back this up a little bit. And it should be good. It looks good to me. Let's go ahead and test it first before submitting it. Okay, looks good. Now let's go ahead and test it. So it looks good. Submit it, and we're set. And I do notice that we have a switch. So these are attempts by other people. Soft Bobo. So yeah, so we have switch. So it's very similar, but It's in one line. Now for readability, this actually might be good for readability by sight to a certain extent, right? Because I believe you can put all four of these in one line. But like, readability is just a little bit like, you know? Okay, and then yeah, you can't divide by zero. But for this one, they don't divide by zero, so you don't have to make a statement for that one. And that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.